How to log in into Leapsome employee account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the step on how to log in into Leapsome employee account. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in Leapsome employee login and hit enter. Click on the first link in the search result. On the Leapsome home page, click on the login button at the top right corner. On the login page, enter your email address and password in the respective field. Make sure your information is correct. If you have forgotten your password, click on the forgot password link and follow the instruction to reset it. Once your credentials are entered, click on the login. You are now logged in into Leapsome employee account. From your dashboard, you can access various features such as performance reviews, feedbacks, and goal tracking. And that's it. You have successfully logged in into your Leapsome employee account. If you have any questions or need help, leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this. See you on the next video.